friends, welcome back to Ciati's Hair World! And today we have some new products from the company named Urban Hydration. We're actually a partner with Urban Hydration. Their new collection is called Breath of Fresh Hair. Today we have a detangling spray, a style lotion, and we have a co-wash and conditioner. I'm so excited to use these products. Thank you so much, Urban Hydration. This product is made for curly girls just like me, or if your kid has really dry hair and looking for some products to help with that. And if you're just trying to grow your hair out. The really cool thing about these products is they're black owned, and every time you buy a product from them, they give a gallon of water away to someone in need. Like an example, if you bought 5 products for them, they're gonna give away 5 gallons of water. Isn't that great? What I'm about to get into is a co-wash and conditioner. That means it's really soft on your hair, and it's a shampoo and a conditioner all in one. This product is for all types of hair. You can treat it for color, braids, wigs, weaves, and lock styles, just like my mommy. Now I can't wait to get into the shower to wash my hair with this product. Here's what my hair looks like before I wash it. Let's see how good my hair looks after we use it. Look at this, I have all types of dirt and stuff with my hair. That is not good. I'm so excited to see what their new collection can do for me. Let's get to the shower. Okay guys, I just got finished using the Breath of Fresh Air products. If you were watching the video, you would see that it didn't really lather my hair, but it got my hair super clean. The product left my hair feeling really clean, really soft, and really moisturized. Okay guys, we're going to be using these clips to section my hair into 4 parts. We are going to be using the detangling spray to detangle my hair. Let's get started. I'm actually just going to clip it up into 2 parts. So basically, I just take my part, I twist it a little bit, kind of put it into like little bun, kind of like that, and I clip it up. I'm actually gonna redo this side because it wasn't that. Okay, now I'm just gonna clip it up from my little bun. And then the same for the other side. So the first way how I start to detangle my hair is I finger detangle it first. Let me cut this back part out the way. And now I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb. I start from the bottom and I work my way up. Looks like my finger detangling really worked. Okay, my hair feels a little dry at the end, so I'm just going to add a little bit more of the detangling spray. Now I'm just going to go in with my pink detangling brush and go through it. Now I'm going to clip this up, and then I'm going to grab my next piece. Now I have my next piece. First I'm just going to finger detangle it. Then I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb. Now I'm going to go in with my pink detangling brush. Okay, this is what my hair looks like all detangled. Now for my last part, I'm going to be using the style lotion. It helps revitalize and refreshes my curls. Now I'm going to smell it. It smells really good, but very different from the other ones. Okay, I'm about to split my hair into 2 parts. And I'm gonna do my right side first. So I've already put a little bit on my end, so now I'm just gonna do like this part and up. It feels really moisturizing and soft on my hair. Okay, here's the side that is done. It looks very different from this dry side with no moisturizer on it. So now I'm going to do the other side off camera. If you want to see how I do the other side, go check my Instagram. Okay, this is the finished product of my wash and go. It's super soft and silky and nice. It's not all hard from any products. Just as a little accessory, I'm going to add this Vibes clip in. Okay guys, here's my final look for my wash and go. I changed the clip, but I decided to put in my Siani clip. Comment down below how you like the outfit. Now, if you are a curly girl kid just like me, tell your parents to go get the Breath of Fresh Hair new collection products. Comment down below if you like my style. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And follow me on all social media. Bye, curl friends!